Hi guys, my name is Alexey Lavrenin. Welcome to YouTube channel Senior QA Automation Engineer. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we will create our Selenium first test case and step by step we'll build Selenium framework using page object model. We have created main project, added Selenium and SNG dependencies in POM.xml, created Java class and test method, and initialize Chrome driver and pass. Everything is ready for creating test. Selenium opens Chrome driver for us, but we don't have specific URL. In this case, my next action is open a specific URL I use for our goal dating website romanceabroad.com. It is international application with offline dating with Ukrainian women. Selenium WebDriver has command get for loading URL. Driver is our reference variable of WebDriver in code. It can use different Selenium actions. After type command get and add inside double quotes full URL and click run it. Let's run and check how it works. If something wrong with my driver or configurations, it can fail my test. Okay, it works for us, but it opens half browser. I can fix it. Just type driver manage window maximize. Selenium opens full browser page for us. Now we can test website. If I want to interact with web elements on page, I need Selenium locator. I can press F12 or do right click and it opens DevTools for me. In DevTools in tab elements, it shows HTML of page and it's highlighted block of code for this specific web element. Okay, this tab has a href, a link inside. A href is always link. It redirects me to another web page. And I copy link. I create XPath for that. First of all, always double slash after a open brackets add href equal single quote link single quote close brackets. Okay, press enter and check valid locator or not. It should highlight it web element. Okay, now I can see that we have two web elements with one locator. We can resolve it. I can show you how. Okay, I copy my locator. Type driver dot find elements, not find element. After use my XPath, put my locator. And after that, I just type .get index. And we put 0 because in Java it always starts from 0. It should be first locator on our page. And I type .click. Now we should check what kind index for what kind web element we have. Okay, for first, this button has first index, it's 0. My tab has second link, it's 1 for Java. It means I need to use index 1, because I need second element with same locator. Let's check it, how it works for us. Okay, it opens browser, maximize window, clicks our link. Everything is great. Now I want to add some verification that my last action helps me open required page. because it's possible that you click something and after test is passed, but you don't have verification that is correct page or not. I can get current URL as string and put in variable. I type driver get current URL and put this information inside string and give some logical name like current URL. Now when Selenium opens this page, driver get current URL and we put it inside variable. For verification I should create expected result. Let's create string variable expected URL and put what we expected in string. For verification, one of the best way is assert class in tsng dot and assert equals, and you can see you can do comparison between bytes, between integers, between chars, longs, shorts, and we need strings. Doesn't matter. This method can do comparison for different type of variables. Okay, we put just two our strings for comparison. If my comparison passed, test will pass too. Everything is great. Test is passed, comparison is positive, but the problem is we don't have any output in our console. We need to add some information, because if as tester can check your code and try to run your test, he doesn't understand what's happened inside. He can understand and read code, but sometimes it's very complicated code, and always better if you create more and more prints for that. I can add print after assertion. It doesn't check anything, but it prints positive result for us in console. If comparison failed, test will fail too. It means we wouldn't see our print because it would fail previous step. Just add some phrase inside. And we can add our variable, just for verification that Selenium can take valid current URL. And we always should close our browser using driver quit. In this case we don't open many Chrome browsers. Okay, everything is great, and now our test case is passed, and we have our print in console. And we have value, what we have inside this variable.